Okay, here's our new trick. Ready? You got it, Eddie? You hanging on tight?
Slalom. Faster? Oh, she's down. Put the flag up in the air. All right, buddy. Your turn.
Okay, here we go. All right, Connor.
He's got a pretty strong grip.
Yeah, he does.
Okay, go ahead. Grip it.
Ready?
Grip it.
Grip it and rip it. Here we go.
Ready? Go! Oh, he's down
Oh,
early.
well, that was pretty.
Tried to go with one
It
foot.
was a very fast boat.
Yes.
Papa.
How about you?
Okay, we're ready.
Ew, your hands are all sweaty. How can a baby have sweaty hands? Yeah, she's done.
I'll give her one more try. She's clammy.
The right hand. Yeah.
Clammy. Okay.
Some rosin over here. Oh. Alright. Actually, he was better with this one.
All right, Connor. You ready?
You got tight fists, buddy.
Yeah, he does.
Hold on.
He is so ready to grip that bait. What are you doing?
Drying off his hand.
Okay.
Alright. Ready?
Here we go, Connor. And you got it, Boo? We're off.
Right, hold on. He's adjusting his grip.
Okay.
Ready for zoom. Oh. Come on, buddy. You were doing so good earlier.
Okay, Connor. You got it. No, he doesn't have it.
There we go. Oh! And he goes down.
Some pretty tough surf there in those waves. Okay. Should we go back to their favorite thing? Turn it on. There we go.
I like the crack, mother.
Not for nothing, but what's up with our daughter's hair? I mean, I'm just saying. He was like, Mom, could you get out of the way? We're trying to watch our mobile. Ah, okay.